X6 installation videos. Preparation is required before installation. Start installation. Place the upper, middle, and lower sections of the device at the same height for easy alignment. The longer part of the upper and middle profiles is connected. The shorter part of the lower and middle sections of the profile is connected. Take the connector U-shaped groove, insert it into the middle section profile and align it with the screw holes. Thread the spring pads and parallel pads into the screws in sequence. Secure with screws. Insert the connector U-shaped slot into the upper or lower section of the device again. Align the screw holes and secure them with screws. Take a connector backboard. Align the installation hole. Insert the shorter screws into the spring pads and parallel pads in sequence. Insert diagonal screws first. Then insert other screws in sequence. Take nuts, spring washers, and parallel washers. Tighten them one by one in order. Repeat the operation on the other side to align the connector with the U-shaped groove and insert it. Tighten the screws in sequence. Install roller brush. Insert the roller brush into the lower roller brush hole, ensuring complete insertion. Insert the other end into the middle fixed shaft to ensure complete insertion. Second scrolling. Repeat the operation. Insert one end into the middle fixed shaft to ensure complete insertion. Insert the other end into the roller brush plug at the bottom of the upper end of the device. Ensure full insertion. Connect the middle section profile and the upper end of the equipment with connectors. Repeat the operation on both sides and tighten the screws in sequence. Water and power supply connections. Connect the water pipes on both sides of the upper and lower ends to the quick release interface. Ensure that the eye-joints are securely fastened. Connect the power supply connectors on both sides of the upper and lower ends. Ensure that the joints are securely fastened. Lithium battery installation.